Hi, I'm Mikko Tolonen. I'm the Associate Professor of Digital Humanities and leader of Helsinki Computational History Group. I'd like to talk to you about multidisciplinary collaboration by making a distinction between multidisciplinary research and interdisciplinary research. Multidisciplinary collaboration. In general, it means that people simply come together from different fields of science and then they collaborate in one way or the other. There are different kinds of ways that this can be approached. We can talk about transdisciplinarity, cross-disciplinarity, for example, but the most important thing is very, very simple. People from different fields of science do something together. This aspect of collaboration is very important in digital humanities because even when people from the humanities and social science learn and know how to code, they are not computer scientists, and the computer scientists are not humanists either. It should be also underlined that the culture of multidisciplinary collaboration in humanities and social science is still young, or perhaps we may describe it as thin. The best practices are not always evident, and infrastructure does not always support this kind of activity. In multidisciplinary research, a common question or problem is studied from perspectives of different fields of science with the aim of reaching common conclusions. Multidisciplinary research often aims to solve some current real-life problem. The idea is that knowledge of several disciplines is used to deal with a given problem, say inequality or climate change, for example, with the view of bringing about new solutions. It is important to understand that the degree of collaboration and cross-fertilization between the disciplines can vary greatly in multidisciplinary research. In research administration, there has been a strong emphasis on this kind of multidisciplinary research when distributing funding. Multidisciplinary research has been criticized also for being shallow and fashion-driven without a lasting scientific impact. Integrated interdisciplinary research tries to build something in between the fields of science so they share more than just the problem. Interdisciplinary research tries to go deeper than just saying something about a phenomena from different perspectives. This approach between the fields of science is much more difficult to accomplish than building a multidisciplinary research project. But developing new paradigms, new research questions and new methods is why interdisciplinary research is interesting also for computer and data scientists. This also means that humanists and the computer scientists need to understand what is going on in both sides of the research. They need to talk the same language, and research questions need to drive the method development. Multidisciplinary collaboration is easy to talk about, but much harder to do. In practice, elements of both of these approaches are mixed, whether you think you are doing multidisciplinary or interdisciplinary research. Research cultures are different, traditions of collaboration and use of methods are very different. It takes time to find the best practices and build new traditions. This discourse on multidisciplinary collaboration is not new either. It has been ongoing for the past 20 or 30 years at least. But what is new in humanities and social sciences is that the implementation needs to take steps forward. If we want to advance integrated interdisciplinary research, we need to think about infrastructural support and change the research culture by appreciating, for example, multi-authored publications. So, I hope you understand now the difference between multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary approach. There's a lot of good related items in this series, other videos, so do check them out. See you later.